Bonjour y'all, I got an email about making an omelet from Itaki, so I thought we'd try it out. We need a 1/4 cup of milk, along with 2 eggs, salt and pepper of course, and then we'll whisk this up. Or fork it. I'm using a fork. Keep going until it's pretty homogeneous and you don't see any separated whites or yolks. To make cleanup easier, I'm going to spray my cooking tray with some pan spray here. You could just use some oil. I'm not using the big tray because I want to cook some farro as well. Ta-da! Next it says to add whatever toppings you like on the top, including vegetables. I have some doubts about that, so... Oh look, a spy, it's my dog. On one side, I just put cheese. On the other, I'm putting some spinach and tomato. What would you put on this? I'm thinking with raw vegetables, we're gonna have a watery omelet. We're about to find out. Next, we'll put 2 of the Itaki cups of water in the bottom tray. So this is about 60 milliliters of water. This is 1 cup of farro that I've rinsed and added 1 cup of water to. Yes, it's enough for more than one person. I'm making my dinner while I'm making this. So here we go. Pretty sure that side's gonna end up watery. Cover everybody up. Now the recipe in the email said this cooks in 15 minutes, but we'll see about that. It's a preset for 40. I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens in 15. I still have some time, but we're gonna check it. And as I suspected, this is still pretty loose, as you can see, liquid. Oops. And the side with the vegetables is completely liquid. So back in we go. After the cycle is complete, my farro is completely cooked, but my eggs are still a bit loose. So we're gonna put these in here again. Now, the email didn't say anything about cooking it with anything else, so my guess is it might have cooked faster without having to cook other things as well. See? Ta-da! That's perfectly cooked. And no extra liquid left in it. So I added another Itaki cup of water and let it go again, and look, we've got an omelet. I could pop this out and put it on a breakfast sandwich if I want. Let's cut it up so we can see the texture. It looks nice and fluffy. Maybe I should be using a spoon and not my rubber spatula, because it keeps sliding off. The one with the vegetables in it is super fluffy. Let's give it a taste. Not bad. I'll try this again, but I definitely think I'll try it without anything else and see if it cooks in 15 minutes. And the one with raw vegetables does have a lot of liquid in the bottom, as you can see here. Anyone have any ideas of what we can cook in this next? Let me know in the comments. So I think we can file this under easy. Thanks. Check out my other Itaki videos. Bye bye! Bon appétit! Bonne dégustation!